Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today I am incredibly excited to show you the Avata 2. Actually, I'm just joking. This is a personal project of mine. I've been working on it for the last few months basically, and what I have in my hands is just a prototype. And it all started out because I'm not satisfied with the original Avata. It's versatile, it's nice, but once you start pushing more, doing acros, split S's, dives, most times it just stumbles out of the air. It recovers, but you lost the shot, you had a panic attack, and it doesn't feel very safe when you're flying this. But this drone has a lot of advantages over regular FPV. The return to home is crazy. It holds its position. Maybe you have to talk to someone, you are traveling, something is happening. It gives you a lot of peace of mind features. So I wanted this, but better and more cruise style drone. So I made this. And I'm still testing this drone. It's an early prototype. I'm still designing the right motor to go on it, but already it's blowing the original Avata out of the water in every category. It is lighter, quieter, faster, and actually cruises also faster, while being more efficient than the original one. You can acro much better, and most important of all, it doesn't have the death roll. You can dive, do split S's, you can do everything, and it doesn't budge. Also, it has more camera view because when you look down, you don't have the frame in view. You only have this camera assemble in view, but there is no sensible way to remove this at the moment. And I also tried the Avata 3.5 inches mod from Axis Flying, but I'm not satisfied with it either because yes, it solves the death roll and it flies much better, but it has too many drawbacks. It's heavier, it's bigger, it goes slower, and it consumes a ton of power in the process. You also get a lot of warnings from the ASCs that consuming too much power. And most important of all, the thing that really breaks it for me is when you have the camera angle like this or like this, you still see the ducks in view, and it renders the Avata useless. You have to really look at least 15 degrees to not see the duct in that mode, and it's not acceptable in my opinion. So I fixed all of those issues as well. And my mod is also a lot easier to build than the 3.5 because first of all, it's many less pieces. Second, you only need to resolder the motors, not the battery plug. You can use the stock one. It's amazing. And the reason why I'm making this video and showing you the early prototype is because I want to take you on a journey with me from an Italian guy in his backyard doing a crazy mod for his Avata to a product I think a lot of people will really like. And in order to make it happen, I kind of need your help because I'm trying to collaborate with manufacturers, but of course for them it's a risk. And I need some numbers to back my idea up. I am sure it's full of people that might be interested in it. And all I'm asking of you is please like, share, subscribe, comment, give me advices. I want to hear your opinion on it. If you know people that are interested in it, share this video with them. We can make it happen together. Also, down in the comments below, you will see a Google form where you have optional questions. I want to know you, I want to see what the demographic is, and also if you want to leave your mail, we will contact you once this hopefully becomes a product. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I will be posting reels and regular updates about this drone stories. And actually tomorrow I'm gonna leave for Ireland and I will bring this with me because that's the ultimate testing ground in my opinion. The cliffs are just huge and I want to be sure this drone can do what the original Avata could not. And this project doesn't have a name yet, so if you have name ideas, drop them in the comments below. And again, I'm super curious about what you have to say about this drone, and as always, stay safe and happy flying. Bye!